Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 05796. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 05796 is emitting an unusual smell during operation, it's likely due to a buildup of dirt or moisture within the unit. This can happen over time, especially if the device isn't cleaned regularly or if it has been exposed to excessive humidity. If left unaddressed, the smell may worsen, affecting the performance of the device and potentially leading to more severe issues. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a small brush to clean components, some isopropyl alcohol for sanitizing, and a replacement part if necessary. First, ensure the unit is turned off and unplugged. Carefully open the device by removing any screws, typically located at the base. Use your screwdriver to gently lift the casing without forcing it, as this could damage the clips. Once open, locate the water tank and the motor area where the odor is likely originating. You'll need to disconnect the water tank first. This usually involves unclipping it or unscrewing a couple of small screws. Be cautious not to pull on any wires too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, check the motor and surrounding components for any moisture or residue. Clean these areas thoroughly with your brush and isopropyl alcohol. If you find any damaged parts, replace them as necessary, ensuring that you use the correct screws to secure everything back in place. Once everything is clean and reassembled, gently press the casing back together, ensuring it fits snugly without forcing it. Finally, plug the unit in and turn it on to test for any remaining smells. If you followed these steps and the problem persists, professional help may be needed. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean your Conga 05796 regularly, especially after use, and store it in a dry area. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.